Morning everyone, this is Kenny here. I'm in Setapak. This is Jalan Cengal here. So I want to go and try this Chef Lim Restaurant curry mee on the recommendation of Wonder Eats. Thank you so much Wonder Eats. Because of you I'm here. Okay, let's go and try the curry mee. So that is the restaurant. Okay, it's located at this Jalan Cengal. This road is Jalan Cengal in Setapak. It's right opposite the apartments. As you can see here, this is already the main road, and this is the road going in the restaurant. There's not much place for you to park, you see. Okay, so if you can park, I think behind, try come early or what. So today we're going to go to this restaurant here. So I'm at Chef Lim Restaurant. This is their menu. So they are here famous for their curry mee. You can see there's a lot of different types of noodles here. You can choose your noodles, wonton, mohun, yellow or hoppan. I took the yellow noodles, the usual yellow noodles. So this is the menu. I think this is their signature dish, N37. N37 is actually roasted pork, char siu, curry chicken noodle. You can either get it with laksa or the normal curry, dry or soup. Okay? So the restaurant is a very nice, quaint restaurant. Okay, so my curry mee is here. This is N37. Yeah, as I mentioned just now, I ordered this is yellow noodle. So it comes with pork, slices, char siu, roasted pork, and there's some chicken here. Roasted pork, char siu. Looks good, man. The color also looks very bright. I wonder how it is spicy or not. Let me try. So the bowl here is huge. Just let me just try. So the bowl here, okay, as you can see, is huge. Bowl, right? Yeah, let me just try. Oh, not spicy. Not spicy. I can taste the bit of the coconut milk. But it's really not spicy, it's good. Nice. It's really nice. So what I'm going to do is to try their char siu first. Oh, it's good. Yeah, there's some long beans and standard. And now for the roast pork. Let me try a roast pork. Usually roast pork, right, the cuts is a bit bigger, so you can actually see the combination of the fat and the meat, right? So this one is meant to be bite size, so maybe that's why you can't really taste much of the roast pork. It's more for giving it the noodles, the texture, the meat texture. In terms of adding flavors to it, I think the curry itself is good enough. You can just order next time without the roast pork or even the char siu. I think it's okay. It's a very good bowl of curry mee. So, if you are around the corner, come to Chef Lim Restaurant for their curry noodles. Okay, and I'll just leave the location as usual on the description down below. Alright? Bear in mind the parking here is a bit hard to get. Okay? This is Kenny here, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.